Once upon a time, in one of the Strock team's most baller listings of the year, 23454 Sunset Drive, a home recently acquired by our beautiful couple Stella and Stan, unfolded a story the likes of which you may have never heard.
Stan, come here. Guess what this is?
That's a box.
Well, yeah, but it's our last box. You know what that means?
We're unpacked.
Right? And we need to have a party.
We do?
Yes, Stan, obviously, look at this house. It's begging for us to have a party. Come on, I'll start inviting our friends.
The couple quickly took to social media to share the house in all its splendor. What they did not know is how quickly the word would spread.
Hey everybody, we are finally unpacked and ready to celebrate. Look at this house. It is incredible. Look at this view. It is so ready for a party. Hi. And check out this incredible pool. Don't you want to come party in this pool? There's Stan. Hi, Stan. And come check out this theater. Look at this. Little pool. Oh, Stan again. All right, everybody, 6 p.m. tomorrow. Come and join us for the party. Oh, hi, Stan. You want to give the address?
23454 Sunset Drive.
See you tomorrow. Should I just post this to the gram so all our friends see it?
The gram?
Instagram. Yes, I think I will. Okay, done. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? Stan, I think my post went viral.
Viral like contagious?
Like viral. Look, 53,000 likes and over 1 million views.
One of the best houses in Los Gatos. On Sunset Drive, if you guys haven't seen this house, you know what to do. Like and subscribe.
With a house that's situated just 20 minutes to the world-class Santa Cruz coastline and only 10 minutes from downtown Los Gatos, one can only imagine the convenience for so many people.
It's amazing how close we are to our new place. It took us like 20 minutes to get here.
I know, it's insane.
Stan, I can't wait to see your pad later. Aloha.
Did that server chick just say my name?
I think she did. Do you know her?
No.
You don't think she saw the video, do you?
No, not that many people are on social media.
Stan, my man, good to see you. Can't wait to see you at your party tonight.
You're Stan. I'll see you at your house tonight. Looks like very good one.
Oh, and did I mention the top-rated Los Gatos school district for our couple's future little ones to attend?
Wow, that was so quick, wasn't it?
Hey Stan, I saw your post. You know you can count me in for that party.
Okay, I'll admit that's slightly uncanny.
Stan! We'll see you later!
It's happening.
What's happening?
Everyone from Santa Cruz and Santa Clara County will be coming to our house.
Oh, I doubt that.
Oh my gosh, Stan. This is on the house, guys. See you later.
Still think no one's coming?
After all, how could they not see this coming? A luxury estate of the stature is sure to catch some attention.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been.
Today was so fun. If no one shows up, no big deal.
And you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while.
And there you have it. The story of a home so magnificent it brought all walks of life together. and 2 new homeowners who lived happily ever after at 23454 Sunset Drive.
At the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne.